Hey there, savvy hustlers. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made $1,000 last week, all from the comfort of my own home. Today we're diving into something called retail arbitrage, a money-making method that could transform your financial game. So grab a notepad and let's get down to business. Let's kick things off by unraveling the mystery behind retail arbitrage. In a nutshell, it's a brilliant strategy where you scout for products with a price disparity. You buy these gems at a lower cost in one marketplace and then flip them for a higher price in another. It's like being a modern-day treasure hunter, and trust me, the rewards can be astonishing. Ready to conquer the world of retail arbitrage? Here's your step-by-step blueprint. 1. Knowledge is power. Start by immersing yourself in marketplaces like Amazon, Walmart, or Costco. Hunt for those golden deals that have the potential for a higher resale value. 2. Picking profitable picks. Set your sights on products that are popular or are trending and have a good resale demand. Imagine being the first to start selling fidget spinners back in 2017. 3. Sealing the deal. Purchase the item from the online store, keeping an eye on shipping expenses and fees. Remember, we're all about maximizing profits here. 4. Crafting the listing. Here's where the magic happens. List the product on platforms like eBay with captivating photos, a detailed description, and a marginally increased price. This ensures you pocket a tidy sum while still offering a great deal. To paint a clearer picture, let's walk through a real-life example. Say you stumble upon an irresistible bed on Asda's website, priced at a steal for $150. You've done your homework and know you can resell it for around $250. After purchasing it from Asda, you create an enticing listing on eBay for $250, raking in a cool $100 in profit. And wait, there's a nifty trick. When you score a sale on eBay, you receive the buyer's details. To save time and streamline the process, head back to Asda's website, plug in the customer's info, and have the bed shipped straight to their doorstep. It's a win-win for everyone. As you embark on your retail arbitrage journey, here are some golden nuggets to supercharge your success. 1. Stay ahead of the curve. Keep your finger on the pulse of market trends, seasonal goodies, and ever-changing demands to stay ahead of your competition. 2. Quality reigns supreme. Never compromise on quality. Satisfied customers lead to positive reviews and repeat business. 3. Price it right. Balancing your prices is an art. Research similar listings to strike that perfect balance between competitiveness and profitability. 4. Ace customer delight. Exceptional customer service isn't just a phrase. It's your ticket to building a stellar reputation and fostering a loyal customer base. Well, there you have it, aspiring moneymakers, a comprehensive guide to boosting your income with retail arbitrage and potentially raking in that coveted $1,000 a week. Remember, patience and dedication are key, but with determination, you could be well on your way to financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for a weekly dose of money-making magic. Until next time, keep hustling and keep those profits flowing. Thanks for joining us today. If you're hungry for more money-making wisdom, check out my other videos by clicking on the channel icon. And be sure to subscribe for your weekly dose of hustle inspiration. Catch you in the next video, hustlers.